channel. So we have another Jeffree Star.
We have another Jeffree Star mystery box.
And it has emoji on it. It has stars.
It's the Halloween edition. So stay tuned, guys, if you guys want to see what's inside the box.
Yes, stay tuned. I could see an orange thing already. It's an orange claw.
It's a tracksuit.
It's a sweater.
I actually wanted to get one of these.
There's more things.
What else is inside this box?
Jeffree Star makeup. There's a lips. It's not a lipstick.
So we got this lip
there's more
ammunition
lipsticks.
in the color Yummy. Then another one. I believe this is one of the Halloween edition in the shade Zombie Kiss. But this is a liquid lipstick.
There was a secret thing in there.
Then a Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. What else?
Look.
And then what is this, Lola? The Jeffree Star Cosmetics,
And it's a
the Velour lip scrub.
And it's the flavor of cucumber and mint.
Yes, you're smart. How did you know that?
Because I could see a leaf and a cucumber.
Yeah, and then what's that?
I don't know. Let's open it. It's like a present. Touch it right here.
What do you think it is?
It's something secret.
It's the mini breaker palette.
Look, I could see Jeffree Star.
And
There's
the
a
Jeffree
star.
Star.
There's a star.
The prom night vinyl.
This is heavy.
And then what else?
Highlight.
No, that's not highlight. Open it up so you can see what it is. And I bet you're gonna know what it is.
Lipstick.
Yeah, it's liquid lipsticks. Let's see,
I
open
wanna
it up.
put it in the chair.
Open it up so we can see the colors.
I'm like behind it.
So you get unicorn blood, red rum, prom night, Anna Nicole, watermelon soda, wifey, Calabasas, and doll parts.
Comment down below which one's your favorite.
Yeah, comment down below if you guys like one of these.
Because my favorite is this one.
Which one? Okay, what else?
We have that. It's
Another liquid lipstick in the color Venus.
Well, this is big.
Fly trap.
I know what this is. It's like a pencil. It's for your lips.
Yes, you're super smart. This is
Because it's big.
the lip liner in the color Anna Nicole. What's in there?
It's heavy.
And then what is this?
A straw.
Do we have any other straws from Jeffree Star?
Yeah, we have like pink ones. But that one's
This is an orange kind, so
I want
pretty
to
cool.
open this.
And then what do you think is in here, Lola?
With a lot of makeup. Wait, you have to get this thing out?
It's something that I've been wanting for a while.
Okay.
Go ahead, open it.
Oh, I already know it's a comb.
It's not a comb. Open it.
It's a mirror.
Let me see. Show it. Wow, look at this mirror. I've been wanting a Jeffree Star mirror for a while.
It looks like a wand.
I've been wanting a Jeffree Star mirror for a while. It looks like a wand?
Yeah. Because it could go like baby because it
Lola, do you know how Jeffree Star starts his videos on YouTube?
Yeah.
How?
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, he does that. You do so good. Do you watch his YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna swatch some of the stuff so you guys can see the colors, because I know some of you guys want to see the colors. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
So what is that, Lola?
Highlighter.
Okay, so swatch it on your hand.
Oh, looks like a
Wow.
diamond color. It's a caramel.
That's pretty. Where do you put that on?
In your cheek.
Where?
On the side right here.
Yeah. Okay, next thing. What is this? That's the lip scrub.
Lips.
Like the other one I have. Open it up.
Oh,
Smell it.
it smells like mint.
Mint.
It
Yeah.
smells like chocolate mint.
You want to put some on your lips?
Yeah.
Can you eat it? Yummy.
But not lipsticks or chops or
Lipsticks or lip liners, right?
yeah.
Now we're gonna be doing this one, the zombie kiss.
Do I have to put them on my?
Yeah, in your hands. You know, like when you go to Sephora, what do you do with the lip liners?
You put it in your wrist.
What color is it?
Purple.
Like a purpley, huh?
Yeah, just like my friend's
see.
name.
Your hand. Wow. Next one is this one, the Venus flytrap.
It looks like a mint color, but it's not. Looks like a pickle color.
Pickle color?
Yeah, because it has like a light green. Oh,
Wow. Let me see your hand.
it's kind of mixed up to the purple.
And I'll do the last one. This one. This one is yummy.
Yummy. It looks pink. It looks
No,
pink.
it's purple. It's like purple shimmery. Let me see your hand.
It's like shimmer.
It's like shimmering. You guys can see. It's not really purple, but it's pretty. That's really pretty. Now, this is a lip liner and a lip coat. Go ahead and swatch it, Lola.
Am I other one?
Yeah.
Whoa. Looks red.
Yeah, it's like red.
It's so red. It looks like a pinkish red.
Yep.
It's like a mixed up like orange. It looks
It
like
will look good with these, right?
Yeah.
So we're not gonna swatch these because there's so many, and I'm sure some of you guys already have some of these colors. But like Lola said, comment down below and let us know which one's your favorite color.
This is the mini breaker.
So this is the palette, and it has bubblegum, bite me, hot fudge, oral, purple punch, slice, foreplay, orange crush, and double scoop. Can't wait to like try this one. Right, Lola? The pretty colors.
Yes. Well, this is like a darker purple and a lighter purple.
Yep. And that's it, guys. This is a Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box.
Bye. This is it of the Jeffree Star box. Bye.
Make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up.
And go click the bell button. See you later. Bye.